Hello everyone, I'm Edo, and today I'm going to show you some quick tips on how to calculate the maximum element of an array. There are a lot of ways to do this, but some are simpler and more declarative than others. Remember that code is read by humans. Writing it in a way that it's immediately grokked is by far the best one can do. Let's open the code editor and get our hands dirty. Come on, let's go! So, our first approach will be to use a for loop. For loop is one of the first things beginners learn to do in JavaScript. It's performant and readable. It solves our problem in a few lines. So, we are going to use this array of numbers. Let's start by creating a variable called max and assign -infinity to it. Now we create our for loop. Basically, in each iteration we compare numbers I with our current max value. If numbers I is greater than max, we reassign numbers I to max. In the end, we have our max value. We can also use a for of, which I feel is a bit more declarative and succinct. Basically, the logic keeps the same. The next approach is we'll use reduce, one of the array prototype methods. Reduce is an higher order function. It might not be so easy to learn for beginners, but once you master it, it's a true Swiss switchblade. So, we'll start by declaring the max variable. We grab the numbers array and we chain the reduce method. Basically, if the current value being iterated is bigger than ACC, we want to return the current value. Other option is to use a ternary. For the sake of simplicity, we can call accumulator and current value simply A and B. We can also use mathmax with reduce. Finally, the most readable and succinct solutions of all. Don't forget this one, cause it might be very useful from time to time. Let's check it out. As we can see, we can simply spread the numbers array directly into mathmax. This is the same of simply passing a list of numbers separated by commas into mathmax.